Welcome students. This is next topic, the claim to paramountcy. Very important context. Students, we are discussing about the policy of territorial expansion by the British. We have already discussed about the subsidiary alliance, wars with Mysore and war with the Marathas. So it was clear that the British Company followed an aggressive policy of territorial expansion. During 1813 to 1823, a new policy of paramountcy was started by Governor General Lord Hastings. The company claimed that its authority was paramount, means supreme. But this kind of claim was challenged by many local authorities in our country. So let's consider this context quizzically. First question: who was Rani Chennamma? Students, when the British tried to annex the small state Kittur in Karnataka region, Queen Chennamma took arms against British. She led an anti-British resistance movement, but she was arrested in 1824 and died in prison in 1829. Second question: who was Rayanna? Rayanna was a poor chowkidar of Sangoli in Kittur. He was the army chief of the kingdom of Kittur ruled by Rani Chennamma. He destroyed many British camps and records, but he was caught and hanged by the British in 1830. Question third: why did company become worried about Russia? Students, the East India Company thought that Russia might expand across Asia and enter into India from northwest. So they wanted to secure their control over the northwest. Fourth question: why did British attack over Afghanistan in 1838? The British wanted to conquer over Afghanistan to prevent the Russians from invading southward through the mountain regions into British India. Dost Muhammad Khan was the ruler of Afghanistan during Anglo-Afghan War. And this is the last question, very important question. Who was Maharaja Ranjit Singh? Maharaja Ranjit Singh, popularly known as Sher-e-Punjab or Lion of Punjab, was the leader of the Sikh Empire. After his death in 1839, two prolonged wars were fought with the Sikh kingdom. Ultimately, in 1849, Punjab was annexed. Students, these questions are related to this context the claim to paramountcy? All these questions should be noted down in your copy and revise it properly. Thank you.